Start. On July 12, the Maharashtra state government drafted and tabled the Maharashtra Prisons and Correctional Services Bill 2024 in the State Legislative Assembly's monsoon session. Although the bill was not passed, the state cabinet has now approved its passage as an ordinance. It will be sent to the center for approval and will require the president's nod. As prisons fall under the state list of the 7th schedule of the Constitution, it is within the exclusive domain of state governments to legislate on and regulate prisons in their jurisdiction. Currently, prisons in most states, including Maharashtra, are governed by the Colonial Prisons Act of 1894 and underlying rules passed at the state level. To improve prison governance, the Union government finalized the Model Prisons and Correctional Services Act 2023 Model Bill in May 2023 and urged states to adopt it. The bill addresses aspects ranging from staffing to technology to mental health in prisons. According to data published by the state's prison department, Maharashtra has over 60 prisons, including 9 central, 28 district, and 19 open prisons. As of May 31, 2024, these prisons house over 40,428 prisoners against the sanctioned strength of 27,110, indicating around 50% overcrowding. It has ranked amongst the top 5 states with the most prisoners and under trials. The state level prison rules were passed between 1962 and 1979. These rules have occasionally been amended, but they are neither sufficient nor easily available. Combined with the number of custodial deaths, petitions filed, and poor prison conditions, this makes a compelling case for why prison reforms are undeniably needed. The new Maharashtra bill has adopted several provisions from the model bill and has some additional provisions. One such provision is the role of the convict overseer. A convict overseer is a prisoner selected by the authorities and given certain supervisory powers. In turn, they are entitled to benefits such as higher remission. While this is still practiced in a few states, it has been severely criticized. Moreover, the bill states